When working around the door-window motor, make sure it cannot be operated while working. Place the remote key far enough away from your Cayenne that it cannot be powered. You will need to first remove the rear door panel to access the motor. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the panel off, you can access the window motor indicated by the red arrow. The motor helps hold the window in place. While there is very little chance the window will drop while replacing it, it is best to wedge or tape the window in place before removing. Use a T25 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the motor to the regulator, indicated by the red arrows. Pull the motor off of the 3 plastic pegs that connect it to the door subframe and regulator. Turn the motor over and press down on the tab on the electrical connection, red arrow, and separate them. The gear teeth on the motor must line up with the gear teeth on the regulator when reinstalling, red arrow. This image shows the gear teeth that must sit flush within the regulator. You may have to move the window a little up or down to get the motor to fit correctly. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque to 3.3 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds to teach the end positions on the window. Reinstall the door panel and start the vehicle. Pull the rocker switch until the window is fully closed, then pull the switch again, and the upper position is stored. Press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open, then press the switch down again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.